In the hidden corners of Earth's oceans, rivers and soils, dwell some of the planet's most surprising jewels. Not plants or corals, but worms. Often misunderstood as slimy or plain, many true worms are living tapestries of color, adorned with radiant bristles, shimmering crowns, or glowing bodies that pulse through the water like liquid light. These are the unsung stars of the invertebrate world, creatures of astonishing beauty and complexity. From tropical reefs to Arctic waters, they display iridescence, bioluminescence, and form so strange and striking they rival the most flamboyant birds or fish. In this journey, we explore 10 of the most beautiful worms ever discovered. Nestled beneath damp leaves and decaying wood on the forest floor of Aurora Province in the Philippines, lives a creature as peculiar as it is beautiful. The fried egg worm. Though still scientifically undescribed, this terrestrial annelid has earned its nickname from its striking appearance, a soft-bodied, slow-moving organism that has captured the imagination of local naturalists. Found only in select microhabitats rich in organic debris, this worm's coloration may serve as a form of camouflage among fungi or leaf litter, or perhaps a warning to would-be predators. Largely undocumented in formal research, the fried egg worm remains a mysterious emblem of the Philippines' hidden terrestrial biodiversity, a rare gem underfoot, waiting to be better understood. Floating thousands of meters deep in the dark expanse of the Pacific Ocean is the ethereal balloon worm. This gelatinous, balloon-shaped polychaete drifts like a ghost through the water column, suspended in the mid-water zone. Almost completely transparent, with faint pink and violet iridescence, it looks more like a drifting jelly than a worm. Found off the west coast of North America, particularly near Monterey Bay, it plays an important role in the ocean's marine snow cycle, collecting organic particles with sticky mucus threads. In its alien stillness, the balloon worm is a quiet wonder, a glowing chandelier of the deep sea. Among the coral rubble and rocky slopes of the Indo-Pacific hides the dazzling golden fireworm. With a body like molten metal, it shines in iridescent gold, amber and bronze, lined with venomous white bristles that shimmer like snow in the sun. Its beauty is matched only by its sting. Those delicate setae can penetrate skin and cause burning pain. Found throughout the Philippines, Indonesia, and parts of the Great Barrier Reef, it moves gracefully across the seafloor, scavenging detritus and algae. This combination of danger and elegance makes the golden fireworm a shimmering paradox, both feared and admired by divers. Few marine invertebrates are as visually iconic as the Christmas tree worm. Perched atop coral heads across the tropical oceans, from the Caribbean to the Indo-Pacific, these sessile polychaetes sport a pair of colorful spiral crowns that resemble miniature Christmas trees. The radioles, or feathery appendages, are used for both respiration and filter feeding, retracting instantly into their burrows when threatened. Often just a few centimeters tall, they decorate living coral-like underwater ornaments, bringing year-round celebration to reef ecosystems. Radiating elegance with every movement, the feather duster worm fans its crown of delicate tentacles into the current like an underwater flamenco dancer. Found across the Indo-Pacific, especially in Hawaii and the Philippines, these polychaetes create tube homes attached to rocks and corals. Their feathery radioles are banded in brilliant hues of purple, yellow, orange, and white, creating a hypnotic display as they sway in the flow of seawater. When disturbed, the worm vanishes in an instant, withdrawing into its tube like a magician's disappearing act. Its display is both a trap for plankton and a ballet of color. In the warm shallows of the Caribbean Sea and the Mediterranean, the bearded fireworm prowls the reef like a living ember. Its elongated body bristles with glowing tufts of white and orange, each a stinging defense mechanism that can inflict burning pain on predators and humans alike. Yet beyond its fiery sting, this worm is an ecological sculptor, feeding on coral and detritus, playing a subtle role in shaping reef health. Its iridescent body often shines with green, pink, or coppery hues, depending on the light, giving it the appearance of an ember come to life, beautiful and untouchable. Discovered only recently during deep-sea explorations near hydrothermal vents off the Pacific Ocean, the Elvis worm is a showstopper. Covered in reflective iridescent scales called elytra, this polynoid worm glitters with electric blues, metallic magentas, and shimmering purples. Its name pays homage to Elvis Presley's sequined jumpsuits, and it struts just as boldly across the deep-sea floor. Found at depths of over 2,500 meters, these worms thrive in extreme conditions, dancing on the edges of vent chimneys where temperatures and chemicals fluctuate wildly. In the light of submersibles, their bodies gleam like jewels in the abyss. In the mid-water twilight zones of the world's oceans, the Tomopteris genus of planktonic worms floats like shooting stars. These transparent, ribbon-like annelids are masters of bioluminescence. Their paddle-shaped parapodia beat like wings, propelling them through the water while emitting pulses of golden light, a rare hue in the bioluminescent world. Most commonly found in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans at mesopelagic depths, 201,000 meters, these worms are elusive but mesmerizing. Their glowing displays may serve to confuse predators or attract mates, turning the deep sea into a slow-motion fireworks display. Emerging after summer rains in Japan, Ferretima sieboldi is a terrestrial earthworm of striking appearance. Its robust, glossy body gleams with deep purple and reddish-brown tones, often tinged with metallic iridescence. Though less flamboyant than marine species, it has its own quiet majesty. Known for its role in soil health and decomposition, it's a vital engineer of ecosystems in Japanese forests and farmlands. It also holds cultural significance, known in traditional medicine and folklore, and sometimes referred to as a thunderworm because of its emergence during storms. Along the muddy shores of the North Atlantic, the king ragworm reigns supreme. Alita virens is a muscular, fast-moving polychaete, often growing over 30 centimeters in length. Its body is a glistening shade of greenish-blue with iridescent highlights, and when agitated it reveals strong jaws used to catch prey. A favorite among anglers for bait, it is also a predator and scavenger in its own right. Despite its rugged reputation, the worm is astonishingly beautiful under magnification, a segmented powerhouse clad in subtle armor of sea glass colors.